How about it for this young lady? All right. We're getting to the twilight hour of the Ladies Blues Jam. And you know what happens at the twilight hour? The vampires come out and the wolfmen. Gail Phoenix! Get up here and blow your horn, girl. All right, folks. We did a gig with this guy about 50 years ago, back in the Midwest. His name was Screamin' Jay Hawkins. Not to be confused with Connie Hawkins. I put a spell on you.
It is a full moon, you know.
We're going to take it around once, and then we're going to bring in Gail. And she's known as the Gail Storm.
One, two, three. can't do this without him.
I know your chair. I'm not old school stuff.
Not the Willie Nelson. Not the Willie Nelson. All right, one of the great rock blues bands of the 60s and 70s, Candy, a very, very underrated blues harmonica player named Alan Wilson. On the road again. Don't confuse it with the Willie Nelson version. Wait a minute, who's going to do a sit?
cry no more. Take a hint from him, mama. Please don't you cry no more. 'Cause just soon one morning down that road I'll go. And I ain't going down that old lonesome road all by myself. No, I hate going down that old lonesome road all by myself. If you ain't going with me, gonna take somebody else.
Bring it down.
I'm on the road again.
Thank you, everybody. Thanks for the good turnout and supporting all these lovely ladies and the Rhythm Room and the Rocket Indians.
Mike Howard had Henry Vestine down to a T, and Johnny Rapp had Alan Wilson's Hartlicks down to a T. How about it for Gail? Gail Phoenix.
We got Barbara Stromberg up next. I hope she's still here. There she is. One of the sweetest gals I know.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got a little old tip jar here. Come on now, let's fill that bad boy up. We got Barbara up here right now, and this girl is a blues-loving freak. And right after Barbara, we got Gypsy.
All right. Thank you, Rocket 88. This is so much fun. Love this.
Once again, how about it for Lindsay behind the bar? Lindsay, a lot of people are asking for some fluffy omelets and beer shrooms and flesh flicks. We're going to do a little Albert King. Another gentleman that we had the pleasure of backing up many times through the years. Albert King from Indianola, Mississippi.
my brain.
All right, we're going to do one right now. Barbara, once again, give her a big hand. She's going to do one by the blues genius, Ray Charles. This was also done by the great Englishman, Joe Cocker. But it was originally by Ray Charles.
Unchain my heart, honey, let me be. Unchain my heart, 'cause you don't care about me. Every time I call you on the phone, a lady says you're not at home. Unchain my heart, set me free. Unchain my heart, baby, let me go. Unchain my heart, 'cause you don't love me no more. You got me sort of like a pillowcase. You let my love go to waste. Unchain my heart, set me free. I'm under your spell.
for Barbara. All right, everybody, you know, we've had a great time tonight since, wait a minute, since 20 after 7, and we've had this young man right here. No pain, no gain, Wayne. On the sound system. Running the sound. So what we're going to do right now, the last young lady, and I say young ladies because they're all young ladies. Here she comes. Gypsy. How about it for Gypsy? Mama.
Boy, we have the real diehards. I want to give a shout out to this group for me tonight. Community 43 and Hardaway, please, thank you. I can't wait. I got a rocket in my pocket and I'm ready to blow.
All right, we're going to start off with a little theme by Slim Harpo.
Come on, if you haven't danced, I want you to join me. This is called Hip Shake. It's Johnny Rapper. Are you ready? There's a brand new dance that's going on around. Everybody's doing it, from the grown-ups down. Don't move your head, don't move your hands, don't move your lips, just shake your hips to the hip shake, babe.
Watch where you're putting that
To
thing,
the hip
Gypsy.
shake, babe. To the hip shake, babe. Shake your hip, baby. And if you don't know, just listen to me. Do what I say. Don't move your head. Don't move your hands. Don't move your lips. Just shake your hips.
Shake your
To
hips.
the hip shake, babe. To the hip shake, babe. To the hip shake, babe. Shake your hip, babe. Come on. How about an original?
You did it!
You know, I've been waiting all night, all year, to tell you I'm a real bad woman. You know, we got some bad women in the house. This is Debbie. Do we have another? Come on, Carrie. I need some help. So every time I say I'm a bad woman, you can tell me how bad I am. So my ex-mother-in-law helped me write this song. So I'm gonna get sassy. Ow! There you go. Come on, Marilyn. Ooh, the ladies are coming. You can help me out.
Gypsy, are they coming or just breathing hard?
Everybody, that's Bill. All right, come on, baby. Give me that 6. I like it. I really like it. Oh, you make me move. Here we go. I'm a real bad woman. was a real asshole. 'Cause my good man tells me so. Yeah, I'm bad. I'm real bad. Thank you, Rhythm Room. Thank you, everybody.
Gypsy, you know, Gypsy helped put this together. But I gotta tell you, Gypsy, you need to watch where you're pointing that thing. You're gonna poke someone's eye out.
I'm glad you noticed.
Ladies and gentlemen, we want to thank the Rhythm Room and all the ladies tonight. Give them a big round of applause, all the women. We're the Rockin' 88s. Thank you for having us. That wraps it up. We're gonna pack it up. We're gonna stack it up. And I'll tell you what, I want to thank Lindsay back there, because Lindsay has offered her and all the people behind the bar to help the Rockin' 88s pack up the equipment tonight. Give them a big hand. Give them a big hand. Thank you, Lindsay.